Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Gatie here. Found our way. A very quick one, this one. We have 4 chords, only 1 down, and some claps, and that's it. Alright, so it is like usually with Gatie songs, 1 chord progression through entire song. Let's do this with a capo set here on the 1st fret, and with that we have G, the D, F, E minor, and D. So the G chord, that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. The D F chord, that will be 2nd on E, open A or muted A. If you choose to go muted, then you lean this index finger on top of the A string and that gets muted. Don't push it down, just on top of it. And then open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. We have the E minor. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so what you're going to do here, you're going to follow this chord progression there, G, D, F, E minor, and D, and play 1 down and then 2 claps, okay, per chord. So, like that, alright? But I don't clap on all strings because I only do 1 down and I want the sound to still be there, alive and ring out. So I just clap on the top E string there. So it's enough. Just hit your thumb on that E string 2 times per chord. So down, down, clap, down, clap, clap, down, clap, like this. Very easy, this song, but it's actually great to practice to hold a tempo straight throughout the song. So yeah, hope you enjoy this, and if it was helpful, let me know and feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.